How to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to wallet. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to buy Bitcoin on wallet and send to Cash App. First, open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app, as you can see here. From there, go to the bottom menu and tap on where Cash App shows your balance. If you don't have money or your balance is zero, or you don't have a linked card to your Cash App account, a bank icon appears here instead of showing your balance. This will take you to the Money section of Cash App, as you can see here. On this page, you will see several options and sections that are related to payment. Scroll through them just like I am doing here and come to this section where there are many options. From them, look for the Bitcoin option and tap on it. This will take you to this page where you can buy Bitcoin, and also on this page, you will see various other options that are related to Bitcoin. Next, make sure you tap on this option here named Buy Bitcoin. Once you tap on it, a menu pops up from the bottom of the screen. The menu has several options, as you can see here. As you can see, there are buttons with predefined amounts of money. If the amount you want to buy appears here, you can proceed and tap on it. You can also enter a custom amount by tapping on this option here with the three dots. From there, proceed and type the amount here. Once you have done that, tap Next, and you will be able to purchase the Bitcoin. Now let me show you how to transfer the Bitcoin to a wallet. Come back to the Bitcoin section or page on Cash App. On the Bitcoin page, you will see several options such as Buy, Sell, and a button with the two arrows. Make sure you tap on the button with the two arrows. After tapping on it, this other page appears where there is a menu that pops up from the bottom of the page. The menu has two options. One is Send and the other is Receive. Make sure you tap on the Send Bitcoin option. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Next, this page appears where you are supposed to enter the amount of Bitcoin you would like to transfer. Enter it and then proceed to the next step. On this page, you are supposed to enter either the name, cash tag, or BTC address of the wallet you want to transfer the Bitcoins to. Make sure you copy that address and paste it here to avoid making mistakes. Finally, send the Bitcoin and it will be received in the other wallet. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to wallet.